Hey
Hi
everybody,
guys.
it's Nick and Dee Dee.
Yes.
We're going to Bushkill Falls today. It's going to be epic.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get there.
Yeah. Alright, stay tuned.
So hi guys, we finally made it.
Hi.
We had like some issues getting in, so we couldn't really record us walking in here. But we're here. There's a nice waterfall in the back of us back here. We're just gonna go through the trail and kind of show you guys all the waterfalls, and then that'll be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it.
It's going to be
Hey guys, I was sitting here editing the video that me and Nick took of our trip to Bushkill Falls. I realized that my camera died halfway through recording our trip. So I'm gonna just give you a summary of what we did for the rest of the day. We were walking around like all day, probably from like 9 a.m. to like 4 or 5 p.m. So we were extremely hungry and extremely tired. We ended up actually, once we were done the trail, went straight to a restaurant that was like down the street. After that, he took me home and that was the end of our day. So not really much to show. After that, we were gonna go to the gift shop, but there was a like long line because they were only letting a certain amount of people into the shop. But I think we're like a longer vlog of us at Bushkill Falls. Just leave a comment and let us know. Thank you guys for watching our video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.